हेलो गाइस, हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? आई होप ऑल ऑफ डूइंग वेल एंड फाइन. आई एम लोहित जिंदल, founder and director at Cortex Classes. So guys, I welcome you back to our next video of IOQM 2022 solutions. And so far guys, we have done the solutions of first 9 questions, and in this video we are going to see the question number 10. Okay, quite an interesting one based on combinatorics. So let's see guys. Okay, let's dive into the question. So guys, here it is, last two marker. I think so, right? Okay. I think it was the last two marker. I think there were 10 two markers. Let me check. Yeah. So this is the last two marker. After this, 5 marker questions will start up. Okay. We'll see that. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's read the question, guys, first. Consider the 10 digit number. Okay. यहाँ पे 10 digits है हमारे पास, starting from 9 till 0. Okay. We obtain a new 10 digit number from M according to the following rule. So let's read the rule. We can choose one or more disjoint pairs of adjacent digits. Okay, disjoint pairs matlab guys, no two pairs can contain a common digit basically, है ना? तो disjoint होने चाहिए and interchange the digits in these chosen pairs. Okay, उन numbers में आपने digits को interchange कर देना है, बाकियों को कुछ नहीं करना है ना? So for example, it's given here in this given X number. Okay, so by interchanging, okay, I think यहाँ पे guys थोड़ा correction कर देता हूँ मैं. There's a small correction here. 97. Okay, just a second. Let me correct it. Okay, I've corrected it. Small mistake here. So guys, example में क्या बोला हुआ है? From M, जिसमें 987654321 लिखा हुआ है, we chose two pairs, 8 and 7 and 5 and 4. First pair was 8 7, second pair was 5 4, and by interchanging the two underlined pairs, we get the new number M1, which is M9 के बाद 87 की जगह 7 8 हो गया, and 54 की जगह 45 create हो गया. Okay, so note that any number of disjoint pairs can be interchanged. है ना, कितने भी pairs interchange किए जा सकते हैं, like in this question 2 pairs were interchanged, है ना? So this is our question. तो guys यहाँ पे हमें counting start करना पड़ेगा. We'll have to take cases, right? So guys, total number of pairs could be 9. Meaning अगर आप दो 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 लोगे तो एक बार तो आप फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड ऐसे ले सकते हो, है ना? Like you can count first second second third fourth, इस तरह से टोटल 9 pairs हो जाएंगे, right? So let's see guys, what will be the concept of counting. इसमें count कैसे करें? Let's take the cases guys, है ना? Like if one pair is अगर एक ही पेयर को इंटरचेंज करना है, let's say only one pair is supposed to be interchanged, तो कितने ways से करेंगे? That means guys, we have to select two consecutive digits only out of the 10 digits. I have to select two consecutive digits and that would be my pair. Simple enough, है ना? जब एक पेयर सेलेक्ट करना है, दैट इज क्वाइट इजी. यू कैन जस्ट से कि कोई भी दो कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर्स उठा लेते हैं या फिर उनको सेलेक्ट कर लेते हैं, उनको इंटरचेंज कर देंगे. सो हाउ मेनी कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर्स आर देयर गाइस? 9, राइट? 9 8 8 7 7 6, इस तरह से अगर आप काउंट करोगे, सो आई कैन गो टिल 1 0, है ना? सो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 9 आई कैन गो टिल 1. सो देयर आर 9 पेयर्स, 9 such ways, है ना? सो आई कैन डू और सेलेक्ट वन पेयर इन 9 ways. दैट्स वेरी इजी, है ना? Now comes the second case. What if I select two pairs? है ना? How do I select the number of pairs? Two number of pairs. So that is interesting guys. It will depend on किस तरह के दो आप choose कर रहे हो. So I have figured out a very interesting way of counting it, है ना? तो सुनना guys ध्यान से, तो कैसे मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. So guys, if two pairs are to be selected, meaning 4 digits are to be selected, you can say, or you can say two pairs of 2 digits each are to be selected. How many digits will remain there? कितने रह जाएंगे? अगर आपने 4 digits तो निकाल रखे हैं, so how many digits are remaining? 6 होंगे. So let's understand one thing guys, how I'm going to count here. Let's understand the, you know, आप algorithm समझो उसका. So what I'm saying is, you have 6 places. Numbers are not yet put in these places. Numbers को भी arrange नहीं किया है ना? तो कोई 4 आपके पास अलग से उठा लिया आपने. You have basically took 4 places. This is one bundle of 2 consecutive places, ठीक है? And they have one more bundle of 2 consecutive places because these are the consecutive digits. Got it? तो guys, जब भी कोई आप दो select कर रहे हो, we are counting it in the opposite manner, है ना? rather than selecting, let us count it by arranging. तो उससे आपका काम आसान हो जाएगा. Now think about it. तो guys आपके पास कितने digits पड़े हैं already? 6 digits, right? तो दो दो के पेयर कौन से होंगे वो भी नहीं पता हमें. Let's understand now. Let's say I have made a distinctive pair of two blanks each. These are blanks only, है ना? But you can say I have colored them or something. You can basically they are distinct. तो क्या करेंगे guys? 6 digits are already there. 6 places are already there, है ना? So kind of guys we have to arrange them. Rather than selecting, think about this. I have 6 blanks here and 2 pairs of 2 blanks each on this side. So in how many ways can I arrange them? Now we will, because these are all similar blank things. All of these things are similar. Alike objects हो गए, है ना? So in how many ways can I arrange them? The number of ways would be 8C2, or we can say how do we arrange alike objects? That is 8 factorial by 6 factorial. 6 blanks are of one type and 2 pairs are of one type, है ना? So 8C2, which is 28. Got it? है ना? So what does this mean guys? Why is this the way of counting? I'll give you one example. तो guys ये देखो, for example इनको आपने कहीं तो arrange कर दिया. Let us say this is one of the arrangement. Finally this arrangement will look like something like this. दो दो के पेयर बनाने थे. Let's say ये वाला पेयर बन गया. ये जो first वाला पेयर है, let's say it has been arranged in this place and the other one is placed in this place, है ना? Now you will fill up the numbers. You'll fill up the numbers one later on because there is only one way of arranging, है ना? आपने 6 blanks और these 2 pairs of 2 different type of blanks जो grouped हैं उनको arrange कर दिया. I've shown you one of the arrangement out of these, है ना? So what does this mean? This means exactly 9, 8 and 7 have been interchanged. 6, 5, 4, 3 have been interchanged. 2, 1 and 0. So that means कौन से pair choose हुआ? 8, 7 का और 4, 3 का, है ना? So guys, just like this, as many arrangements, 28 arrangements can be done, and in each case you'll get a new case, new system, है ना? Understood this thing? Okay. All right. Okay. Now similar to this thing guys, now we can move on to 3 pairs. Now the same thought process can be used here. Now this time when there are 3 pairs, what will happen? Only 4 digits will be left and there will be 3 pairs each. Like this. Meaning there are 3 combinations, or you can say 3 groups and 4 distinct places, blanks. In how many ways can you arrange these? That will be 7C3 or 7 factorial by 3 factorial, 4 factorial. Right? By the way of number of arrangements of alike objects. Okay. So once you do this guys, how much is this? 7 factorial will cancel with 4. Okay. This will come out to 35. है ना? 4 factorial will cancel it for 7 into 6 into 5. And 3 factorial is 6. So it will cancel 6. So 35 will be the case. Right? Now similarly for 4 pairs. You can understand the case guys. Now 4 pairs के लिए क्या होगा? There will be 2 blanks left only. And then 4 groupings, right? Like this. So how many cases? 4, 5, 6 things. So that will be 6 factorial, out of which 2 are alike and 4 are alike. है ना? So 6C4. So that will be 6 into 5 by 2. So 15 ways. And lastly guys, 5 pairs. तो guys 5 pairs हो गए तो फिर तो सारे ही चूज करने पड़ेंगे. There's only one way of it, है ना? Because there are 10 digits, that means there are 5 pairs consecutive, है ना? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, 0, है ना? तो दो दो के पेयर वो तो एक ही वे होगा. So now adding them up, what do we get? So let's see. So 9 plus 28 plus 35. Okay, plus 15 plus 1. So let's count it up. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 28 is 38. 38 plus 35 plus 15 is 50. So 50 plus 38 will give us 88. So bachcho, final answer guys would be 88. That would be marked in the paper. Okay. So guys, the final answer that we are getting through this approach is 88, and that is the correct answer. So guys, I hope आपको ये वाला interesting way समझ में आया कि counting कैसे कर सकते हैं, rather than selection, which becomes difficult, है ना, which is basically difficult in this way, because then you'll need to make sub cases again and again. वो बहुत messy और cumbersome हो जाएगा, right? So if we are solving this question by the way of arrangement rather, उस तरीके से अगर हम इसको approach करें, counting will be the same number of ways, है ना, counting will be done in the same way. So through this we are getting the answer in a very simplistic manner, है ना, बड़ा simple सा approach बन जाता है. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys understood this approach and like this way of solving. Okay, so do like this video guys if you find this video useful, and also recommend this channel to your friends and relatives, whoever is preparing for maths Olympiad. And we have put on, you know guys, a useful content only, mostly कोई nonsense नहीं डाला हुआ है हमने, है ना, because we are trying to keep it very, you know, clean channel, so that all the videos are very useful for you guys. All right, so that's it guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and all the best guys for the upcoming exam. Okay, all the best, take care, bye bye.